Hello everyone, welcome back to Build and Repair and Restore. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoy the content. If you do, make sure you give us a like, don't forget to subscribe, and you can also join the channel for exclusive content.
Good morning everyone, it's a beautiful day and we are back on the bathroom install. We just got one more day here just to finish up a few bits. We're taking a day off the extension because we couldn't get a skip in today. All the skips are out, so we're not getting skips until Monday. We got skips coming on Monday, skips coming on Tuesday. So we just instead of coming down here on Saturday, thought let's come down here, finish the last few bits of the bathroom out. And Mr. A's already started painting the ceiling. I'm just about to start getting the radiator fitted. Just a couple of little bits we got to do. So yeah, let's see if we can get this done today. So this is the undercoat that was done last time we were here. Just going to give this 2 coats today and ceiling job done. Mr. A just cutting in all corners now first, then we'll give it a roll, let it dry. Later on we'll give it another coat. Hi everyone, and this is the completed project. So we didn't get to do much filming today. Today was a bit of a hustle. We had to get this finished today, so no playing around. But what we did is we got everything done. You can see the ceiling's been painted. Mr. A gave that 2 coats. It's looking good. All the siliconing has been done, as you can see in the corners here, for instance. All siliconed all the way down, all the way around the shower. And there's a clear silicone down these sides. All down the walls been done. Door frame has also been painted as well. 2 coats of satin. Mr. A's done that as well, so that's all done. All around the floors have been siliconed as well, with a bead of clear silicone. The radiator also was another thing we done today. Fitted the radiator. We painted the pipe as well. And that's all done, all bled and done. Door's been planed as well and fitted back. So it just needs to decorate the hallway. So yeah, that's it guys. This is our finished product. Hope you guys enjoyed it, the series. Hope you guys liked how the bathroom has turned out. I'll try and put a before clip in here as well so that you guys can remember what it looked like. But this is just a quick update just to sort of give you a final look of the bathroom. So yeah guys, we'll see you guys back on the extension next one. So see you soon, take care.